Tom Frezza here from the Naval History and Heritage Command, and today we are again going to be cooking with history, with a recipe out of the 1945 edition of the Cookbook of the United States Navy. And the recipe we're going to be focusing on today is for chowder, Boston style. Now if you take a look inside the cookbook here, you'll notice that there are a lot of different types of chowder recipes, from corn chowder all the way up to the Boston style, or as it's more commonly known, New England style clam chowder. And New England style is actually one of the older recipes of chowder that's out there. It was introduced in the colonies in the mid-18th century. And what makes it stand out from the others is that it's more of a cream-based chowder. That, and aboard ship, the galleys had very large kettles, steam kettles, that they could manufacture lots and lots and lots of this clam chowder. And myself, being a native New Englander, I really am interested to see how this recipe turns out, because we are very serious about our clam chowder up there. So, taking a look at the recipe itself, it yields originally 6 gallons. Now, we are not going to be making 6 gallons of chowder. We've scaled down the recipe for you, so I'm going to go through the ingredients, what they originally were, and then what the scaled down version is, and then go through how it's made. So, ingredients: celery, diced, originally 2.5 quarts. We'll be using 2.5 cups. Onions chopped, originally 1/2 gallon. We'll be using 2 cups. Potatoes cubed, originally 1/2 gallon. We'll be using 2 cups. Salt, originally 1/4 of a cup. We'll be using 2 tablespoons. Water boiling, originally 1.5 gallons. We'll be using 6 cups. Next you have clams, cooked and chopped. Originally 2 gallons. We'll be using 8 cups. Clam liquor, strained, or clam juices. Originally 3/4 of a gallon. We'll be using 3 cups. Next you have milk, liquid. Originally 2.5 gallons. We'll be using 10 cups. Next you have salt. Originally 3 tablespoons. We'll be using 2 teaspoons. Next is pepper. Originally 1 teaspoon. We'll be using a pinch. Followed by fat, melted. Originally 1 pint. We'll be using 8 tablespoons. And then finally, flour. Originally 1 quart. We'll be using 1 cup. Alright. So the makeup: combine celery, onions, and potatoes. Add salt and vegetables to water. Cook about 20 minutes or until tender. Add clams, clam liquor, milk, salt, and pepper. Heat slowly to boiling temperature. Blend fat and flour to a smooth paste. Stir into hot soup. Cook about 15 minutes or until soup is smooth and slightly thickened. And that's it. Then you serve it up. Portions are 1 cup. Again, originally it was 100 portions. We've scaled that way down. So, again, the New England side of me is really raring to go, and let's get started and see how it turns out. There we have it. Our chowder is nice and thick. Let's see how it turns out. This is a really tasty recipe. It's very easy to make, and I highly suggest you try it out. And that's another one out of the 1945 edition of the Cookbook of the United States Navy. If you would like more information, please visit the website of the Naval History and Heritage Command, history.navy.mil, and we'll see you at our next cooking lesson.